Good morning, folks. Let me fix this camera here for a second, man. Hey, good morning, folks. Welcome back to the channel, man. We are back on the pond today, man. Come on, Nick. Boy, just got done last weekend fishing 3 days at the Delta, and I am exhausted, y'all. I tell you. So didn't want to travel anywhere this weekend. Just wanted to hang out here at the pond, talk to you guys, and try some top water again today out here in the pond. The Delta was fun. Great, had a great time out there, man. Even though I didn't catch any big ones like I was hoping to up there, it was great to finally make it up there. So like I said, definitely enjoyed it. Definitely enjoyed my time camping. So I will be back up there again sometime soon, but definitely have fun. But I will say this, I threw the buzzbait on tournament day, right? Y'all saw that in the video. And I liked it. Had never really thrown a buzzbait before. So I gave it a shot that day because my frog bite wasn't even on. So throwing a buzzbait was my next best thing, man, and it worked out. I mean, I caught some fish. I mean, now only one of them was actually measurable, but I did have a fun time throwing that thing. So I'm gonna give it a go again today. What I'm gonna be doing today is throwing a buzzbait and the frog again out here in the pond. If that don't work, we'll go to pitching and punching. So yeah, stick around. Let's enjoy this morning. So I thought I was gonna have a little bit more wind this morning for that buzzbait, man, but it don't look like it. So guess I'm gonna start off with Mr. Frog here and see what that do. Dang, I really want to throw the buzzbait. I mean, I probably could still throw it and be all right. Man, I tell you, that 3 days up on the Delta, man, was exhausting when I got back home. As much as I enjoyed it, man, it was just, I got home, I just slept for a whole day, it felt like. But that's why I just want to come kick it here in the pond for a few hours. There's the first blow up of the morning. Buzzbait 'em, buzzbait 'em, buzzbait 'em. Dang. Man, it was a one blow up on the frog, one blow up on the buzzbait. That buzzbait, that was a big fish. Hopefully he's still over here. There we go. Oh, he came back on that twice. So we had to go no buzz bait, frog. Ooh, choked it. That's how you want them to eat that joint, though. Oh, little dude. I mean, not little dude, but a good sized fish. Look. That's how you want them to eat that. Loving it. Oh, yeah. Bye, Froggy. All right, man. First fish of the day. This little dude, chunky, man. We'll measure him. We'll measure the guy. First fish of the day gets to get on the board. I say he's probably about 15 and a half, 16. Yeah, 15 and a half. 15 and a half. Healthy little guy, man. He wanted all that frog. All right, buddy. Oh, I love you too, man. Man, yeah, I wanted to get this buzz bait going. I had that blow up at the beginning, earlier, which I thought was a pretty decent sized fish. He just missed it, man. But I switch over to the frog, get that game going. We'll stick with it. Yeah, it's a little fish. Small. Little chatterbait action. Alright, little dude. Okay, little chatterbait guy. Just want to switch it up real quick, see if I can get a little quick chatterbait bite. And it worked out. Alright, little man. I didn't even know there was a fish on there. It felt dumb light. And it was a little dude, man. Yeah, so that frog bite was a little slow, man. So just figured I'd pick up this chatterbait real quick and see if I can land a couple. See if that's what they want this morning. But I really want to get back on this frog bite. I really want a buzzbait fish, man. Like, that bite was so much fun on the Delta. And hopefully I can get it going again, man. I liked it. We're going to throw this chatterbait around for a little bit more. And then we'll move off another spot and work on the frog. That is a tank. A tank. Oh, yeah. Oh, man, y'all. Killed that. Oh, she killed that. Man. Yeah, we got that on for, oh my gosh. Oh, she's bleeding bad too. I'll get her. Let me get this blood off her. Let that coagulate real quick. We'll hurry up and get her in. Get her in, get her out. But yeah, another one, man. Oh, man. Woo. Yeah. She hammered that. Man. Yeah, she got that all on the tongue. Let me clean her up for a second, cause we're gonna get a weight on her. Oh yeah, she's another 19 and a half. Another 4-pounder probably. Yeah, 4.7. Solid fish, man. Yeah. Solid fish, man. But let's get her back in here. Get her back to life, and we'll get her out. She hit that frog hard, man. And she goes off. Man. That was crazy. I hate that she bled so much, man. But they got her right in the gill. She swam off, so she should be all right, man. Man, like a massacre in the boat, man. Golly, she bled a lot. Man, this look like the same fish I caught last time on ChatterBait. Oh, no, he's a little bigger than that last one I caught. But it's in the same spot, though. Solid little thump on that one. There you go, guy. Nice little fish, man. Another 15 and a half, 16 and a half inch fish. All right, buddy. Thank you. Yeah, man, we really ain't got no pattern today. This is junk fishing, man. Some of everything is biting right now, so on some of everything too. We're gonna just enjoy what it is. We on the water, we're fishing, we're good. No matter how we catching them, we just gonna catch them. So junk fishing it is. Let's get some more. We got about, I don't know, I said an hour and a half, about an hour left now. And we'll get up out of here. ChatterBait fish. Oh, he ain't too little. He's decent size. Decent size little dude. We're back to ChatterBait again. Alright, I got 15 more minutes, y'all. I'm gonna roll up out of here, man. Like I said, some junk fishing going on today, but we don't mind it. We just want bites. So I'll take them. I got another ChatterBait guy. Okay. Hey, buddy. All right. We are going to end it right there with a random ChatterBait fish, man. Gotta get up out of here, y'all, man. Hey, listen. The day didn't go the way I wanted to. I really wanted to get a buzzbait bite, but that did not happen. We did get an awesome frog bite, so I'll take that instead, man. But yeah, it was a bunch of junk fishing, really, man. Nothing really was consistent, you know what I mean? Caught random chatterbait fish, random parts of the lake. I mean, of the pond. So, I mean, that really wasn't a pattern. And then we caught the 2 frogfish, and then we got the 1 fish on a creature bait. So, I don't know. Still a fun day. I want that buzzbait bite. I'm gonna come back here probably next week and see if we can get that buzzbait going, man. Got to blow up in the morning, but that was it, man. I will catch you guys later, man. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed to the channel, man. Leave me a comment and I'll get back to you guys as always, and I will see y'all on the next video. Peace.